Hello, it's Jacob Darby here, Claydon Drills, South East Territory Manager. I'm standing in a field of winter wheat. It was drilled on the 23rd of October with the Claydon hybrid drill, a 4 metre. What was interesting about this field in particular and this drilling was that it was drilled with our low disturbance kit, so the double front discs and the twin tine kit on the back, followed by the harrows and then the paddles. So I beg your pardon, followed by the paddles and then the harrows. You can see here, looking across the field, it's uniform establishment, uniform germination, everything's in its rows, not the conventional Claydon rows you expected to see with a band sowing, so with a gap. This has been bunched up because of the twin tine kit. But it did a very nice job. Conditions when we were drilling were very wet. So all things considered, I think it does a really good job at showing the versatility of the hybrid drill. When you want to go low disturbance and you don't want to move much soil, this is the kind of result you can expect on medium body soil. Let's have a look at the soil here. Plenty of worm activity down there. There's a bit of crumb. It's actually comes across much drier than it looks. I thought it was going to be a bit more puggy underneath, but no, the farm's happy, and like I said, it highlights the versatility of the hybrid, especially with the low disturbance options on it.